It's time. We're here, countertop day out at our friends Jessica and Jed's house out in Gilbert. Out here we got the table. They're gonna start cutting on this. We got the big island piece already on the truck. It's right there ready to go in. Let's take a look inside. See right here, we went with a bigger edge detail on the edge. Makes it look like a thicker piece of stone. Got all the painting completed. Baseboards are in. And the backsplash is going in tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. We'll give you a final on that. We're down to just the nitty gritty, down to the wraps, so we will show you when everything's done. All right, thanks. Bye.